Hi guys, it's been a while. I'm so sorry I haven't posted maybe for 2 days recently. I'm so sorry because as I said all the time, but I've been editing videos crazy busy. So because I don't even remember, just forgot doing makeup today, even though I had a lesson, and I thought my lesson was at 8 p.m. tonight, but it was from 7 p.m. and it said, I got an email and it said, my student is on your Zoom. Shit. So I just did my lesson with her without makeup. I'm so sorry. I was cooking at the time. So, and I was gonna eat dinner at 7, and then I was going to prepare for my lesson after that because I thought it was 8, but it was 7. But we talked a lot, and I think we had a kind of like a meaningful time for 1 hour. Yes, so my mind is so busy and I'm too busy to edit, make video and post video every day, like 10 videos a day. So I'm going to have one assistant from next Monday. So I have to sit up for her to do post my video I edit. So I have to do the Excel things too, because I have to put a lot of some things to make her work, make her post video. So I have to explain to her how to do it. So I have to make the Excel, which is I really not good at. Because as I said before in a video, I hadn't used computer, laptop for entire my life. I had my computer, but I really haven't used it in my life. So it's really I can do it, but it takes so much damn time. So what? So there's no mouse. So I just doing my fingers. So, but so every day I'm learning new thing about laptop, and it's okay, it's easy, but it's hard still, oh my god. So my mind is gonna explode. It's gonna be exploded soon. So Monday I'll welcome my new assistant. I have to welcome her. So in 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, I'm gonna prepare for her. And then next, oh my god, and next week I'm gonna have another job, which is which is I help the shooting on live. So I can't think of anything right now because it's too much. I don't know what to think. I don't know how to think. I don't even remember. So right now, before I've been kind of I said I'm tired of doing housework, but now doing housework is my it's is for good time for me to not to think about anything. So I think it's really good for me right now. Cooking, some doing housework, laundry, cooking stuff. I don't need to think about anything but just housework. So I think it's really great to stop my brain work. So doing housework, I'm so tired, I'm so busy. I miss those days. Right now, literally, my brain has too much memories, too much things to do it. So I can't, I don't remember what I'm thinking. You know what I'm saying? I don't even remember what I was thinking, what I have to do. So I always write a memo all the time because I forget everything. So I was the person who organized everything, and I never forget anything or anyone in my life. I always, not always, but in my childhood, I kind of lost keys a lot of times, but when I became an adult, I really haven't forgotten or lost something like keys, but because I have a lot of things to do, a lot of things to think, I literally lost my things on and on, and I haven't found it yet because I had no time to find it. I just remember I lost something while I was talking here. I have to find it in a week. Oh my god, how can I manage my schedule? I haven't write a report yet. It's been 1 month already since I came back from India, and I haven't so I need sometimes to not to think about anything, nothing. Yes, so it's too much. So my brain has too much things. So it's really takes time to say something because it's too much in here. So input and output, it takes so much to do both. Oh my god, it's so much. And I'm going to Ise in 2 weeks, and another report will come. How can I survive this? How can I do that? Oh my god. But I have to do this. I know I have to do this, and I know I can do this. So I don't complain, but my brain, it's gonna be exploded soon. In 2 weeks, I'll be in Ise, and I'll calm down. I'll be able to calm down and think about myself, rest my body, my brain, my mental, everything. In 2 weeks, I'll do that. I'll do it. I'm so sorry I haven't been able to post this video, but I'm doing fine. Not great, but great. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Please take care of yourself. don't get a cold, COVID, or anything. So thank you for watching as always, and please wait for me to finish the singing video. I already took them, but I had no time to edit, so please wait. Please, one more week. Okay, so see you soon. No, tomorrow, I don't know. Maybe see you tomorrow or soon. Thank you very much. Bye, good night.